Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms. We're going through a pretty good expansion this year. So I think I'm going to start a vlog and document what we got going on here. We went from 30 beds last year. We're going up to 100 this year. All my bed lengths are 45 foot, 30 inch wide. And I'm going to try to put a video up once a week or so. Maybe twice, just kind of depending. Still going to do how-to videos when I come across it. I just kind of want to expand on what I'm doing with the channel. So here we go. Here's what I've been working on. Got my vacuum seeder, the first one done for the 200 cell flats. I just went through and I've planted out some flats now. This takes me up to, I got 3 sitting here. These are all, 2 of them are Salnova lettuce. The other one is head lettuce. Try to get an early start on it. I'm now currently working on finishing up the 100 cell model so I can start planting some celery. I got to get an early kick on the season. I've built a germination rack, or not germination rack, a grow rack inside the house where it's just, seen them online, people doing it with microgreens. I threw 3 lights per shelf instead of 2. Might go up to 4. We'll just kind of see how the growth goes on, see if they start stretching or not. But I got that set up inside. That's where I'm putting them for right now. I'll do a video on that here, I don't know, maybe next week or so. I'll let you know. But yeah, I'll take you over to the production and show you that. It's about, 35, 36 degrees outside. Still got some production going on in the greenhouse here. We're in the high tunnel. Got a good stand of celery here. Just started harvesting on it here recently. Getting about, pinky sized stalks coming off of it. It's just starting. We still got other production in here as well. Got some good kale still going. It's been harvested here today. Had some aphid pressure on it. I think I pretty much have that under control now. Got one row here that I cover cropped. Just use rye, pea. I think there's some collards in here. Some other things. Lettuce production in here is working. Not going as good as in the caterpillar tunnel that I'm going to take you over to next. But it's still pushing along. Got a lot of bottom rot down on the bottoms. And then I get the occasional funky one where it just kind of melts from the inside out. That's to be expected. I've still been trying to seal this high tunnel off since I built it this fall. The main issue I'm having is around the edges. Got a good amount of dirt built up around it, but I'm still getting airflow underneath it. So one of these days I'm going to have to get some foam board, put it to the side and go down in the dirt. I really think that'll help out a lot and eliminate a lot of the problems I'm having with air coming in here. Still got a spring mix row going. It's pretty much past its prime though. And this frilly mustard that no one seems to like. I don't know why it's red, but I guess it's really stemmy. There's not much to it. Let me take you outside and take you over to the other tunnel. Show you what I got going on in the cat tunnel. Over here at the cat tunnel I built this spring. Go inside and check it out. There's a little bit of a step underneath. I still don't have the end walls built out on either side over here. I'd like to put a door over there that I could take off when I need to. Inside here I built this out of a bunch of scrap parts I had laying around. Used old carport pieces to make a Gothic style tunnel here. Chain link top rail, just bent it on my bender. over here, the lettuce production is actually looking a lot nicer than it is over in the high tunnel for some reason. Not as well sealed in here, a little colder. I'm kind of wondering if the smaller space doesn't hold heat a little better. We got a bunch of new red fire heads here. Then we got some Panices right here. And then these are either Bergams or Mir. I can't quite remember. Was planted out in mid to late October, but it's still pushing along. We also got some Adriana heads in here. Nice butters. They're looking real nice. And we got some Salanova production too. This is all second cut. It's about 4 weeks since the cut last. And over here, same thing, more Salanova production. I think it was cut about 5 weeks ago. It's still doing good. Coming back, I can get another cut off this if I can keep it through the temperatures we're going to get next week. Next week we're supposed to drop down in, I believe our high temperature is going to be around 22 or 23 with lows 10 to 20 at night. So going to be pushing it. But for the time being, I'm just covering with a row cover, just a Ag 19 type weight. And over here we just got a bunch of radishes. They went pithy on me, so they're just kind of growing here because they're still growing here. Haven't done anything about them. Show you the other tunnel I got going. I don't know if we're going to be able to go inside or not. It's a little bit muddier over there, so let me take you over there. Now this other tunnel is the cat tunnel I built earlier this year. About 12 foot wide, about 40 foot long. Got bow space of 10 foot, which was just what it happened to be because that's how many connectors I had in town for the pieces of pipe I got. I actually did a video on this. You can check it out. It's a quick caterpillar tunnel video. Side here, I'm not going to be able to get in the side because it's just too muddy down the path over here. I got spinach and some all-star mix. Try to get you inside there so you can see it. All-star mix is plugging along. It was planted about the 3rd week of October along with the spinach. Got a little bit of yellowing going on in it. I think I just need to increase my fertility a little bit. It had a good amount of aphids in it, but I just put safer soap out the other day, so hopefully that solved that problem. Bring you back up here. And then we got our big expansion. It's down here. We got a whole bunch of beds here behind me. I'm just starting to build in. Just broke all the sod on this area over here. Should be able to get 36 beds in this block from where that tunnel is over to here. Then we come up top here. And I should be able to get another 36 up in this area. That's my major expansion. This should take us up to around 10,000 square foot this year, production area, not including walkways and fences and all that area. That's about a 1/4 acre. If I include the whole area that we're actually growing in now, we're at about a 1/2 acre. But what I've got more than that is all of this cornfield behind me. Keeps going and going. I got about 7.5 acres out here. I've gone through and started to put out posts going down the rows. That way I'm kind of delineating where future expansion is going to be. I'm going to try to do something with it this year. I don't know if I'm quite going to get to it or not. We'll just kind of see on that. Thinking about maybe doing pumpkins or melons or something. But I'm going to try to do it without doing irrigation or anything. Try to keep it cheap, try to keep it lean. Best way to do it if you want to get a good profit. But you can see down here, if I line up on this post and look down, there's posts that go all the way down the field on both sides. Dug a ditch on both sides to help channel the water. And my beds will be running this way, which will be east-west. But hope you all like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll just try to keep you updated through the season. We're going to work on trying to do 1 to 2 a week. It's going to be a little slower here in the winter time just because there's not too awful much going on. Our production is getting ready to end, and it's also February, or not February, middle of January. Once February hits, it's going to get real cold, so that's probably going to shut us down. Hope to see y'all again. Thank y'all. Have a good day.